Good morning mga kabuchi! Welcome to my channel. So today we are on week number 31. Di lagi po sure kung 31. So we are on week number 31 of year 2025 and this is my garden update mga kabuchi. So I am with my black cardinal and my Thai constellation mga kabuchi. So 360 ta? So our Chuko Empress over there mga kabuchi, kan siya is getting well mga kabuchi. Then ang atong newly planted nga giganto mga kabuchi kay naibanan jud og 1, 2, 3, 4 I think 4 leaves mga kabuchi. And then here kana is our Ataba Ponce and the other one I forgot the name mga kabuchi. So beautiful man gyapon siya with the Ataba Ponce. And then dirita. So this is our green nakalimot ko sa pangalan na unsa ba, Congo. So this is our green Congo and right beside it is the red Congo. So they're not doing well yet mga kabuchi, but I hope they will improve, no? And then our royal queen, so I need to na akong royal queen mga kabuchi, but I think it's getting okay. And then here's the Belite, and I have here my Monstera Deliciosa. So some of my plants mga kabuchi are not doing well pa. So kanilang sa atong feature mga kabuchi. Here comes the black cardinal and now beautiful Thai constellation mga kabuchi. So diba very impressive mga kabuchi. Okay. So mao na siya mga kabuchi. Ay nako mga kabuchi. So it's very unsa pa man. So my garden mga kabuchi is getting smaller. My plants are getting bigger and the garden is getting smaller. So I want to put our kuan unta. I'm looking for a place for our golden melanoni mga kabuchi. The golden melanoni I want to place it here mga kabuchi. So maybe I'll just put it here. It could be mga kabuchi, no? And then look at this black cardinal over here. Are you doing well? This one is not doing well mga kabuchi. Here's the very impressive na siya, Coco Empress. So it's getting bigger na mga kabuchi. I'm going to cut it down later. Later this year mga kabuchi, put it in a big pot mga kabuchi. The Chuko Empress. And then Saman. So anak lang siguro siya mga kabuchi, no? Stay still tadari. Chill with our kuan. Murag ni gwapa-gwapa sa dai na siya mga kabuchi. This is Squammy Ferron, Philodendron Squammy Ferron, and the Florida Ghost here. So I don't know if sa ilang kapalaran din na mga kabuchi, but I hope that they will grow big na sad. And then gawas ta diri mga kabuchi. We will continue our tour outside of that small space na. Oh, see? Let's start from here mga kabuchi. Our orange tricolor, the tricolor, philodendron tricolor. And then this is the choco caramel. They call it also Prince Albert. And this is the newly planted, mga kabuchi. And we have some issues here, mga kabuchi. It's because the cat is kuan mangudya, mga kabuchi. Sleeping. And then my philodendron orange marmalade, mga kabuchi. It's not getting beautiful with mga kabuchi. That's my problem. It's not getting beautiful. And I think this is Melaloni Choco Melaloni. Don't know why they call it Choco, mga kabuchi, but it's getting bigger na. And then this one, the Black Melanoni eye. These are dwarf sensations. And the beautiful philodendron golden serratum. The newly planted. Here, mga kabuchi, newly planted. This is the top cut, mga kabuchi. And this is the mother. Oh, diba? We have problem. So, the black ZZ and the variegated ZZ. And this one is the very most impressive, most beautiful plant na. Kani. Si burgundy. And then, si banana philodendron. And the biggest, this is our philodendron gigantum. So, diba, mga kabuchi? Quick tour. Very impressive. So, thank you for watching, mga kabuchi. Short lang, short update only. No garden activity, mga kabuchi. I still have a cough. Okay? Sige. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.